Okay, we're going to show you another example of a simple frozen to finish recipe. If you are vegan, just skip the protein, substitute with a favorite vegetable. It could be chickpeas, tofu, whatever you like. It's all good. The flavor's in the sauce. So let's say you've come home, you haven't thought about dinner. We do like to use chicken tenders because when they're frozen, it's kind of easy to control the amount of meat. Sometimes you want less, sometimes you want more. So if you are doing frozen protein, we do recommend doing a single layer so that it's not stacked up, just to keep the cooking time as short as possible. So you can use whatever sauce you want. I saw this, it's an organic non-GMO butter masala, which comes from cashews and almonds and just lots of yummy things. Some people are not into curry, but I love it. It's really good for your heart. So I'm just going to pour the sauce over there, and you might even want to add a little bit of yogurt blended into it to give it even more of an authentic and gentle flavor. So I'm using only about half of the jar. It tells you can add some water if you like, up to 1 cup. So not sure we need to because the vegetables are going to be in here and that's going to produce quite a bit of moisture. So then what we've got here is some organic Normandy blended vegetables. So we've got broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and some yellow squash, I believe. So we're just going to put this on top. So we've just got all of our wonderful rainbow colors there that we get to enjoy. So this makes a really nice, easy one-dish meal. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Right? And very satisfying. And then all we have to do is make sure it's leveled out. Oh, come back here, broccoli. So that we do not have the valve sticking up when we put it on. So for example, you don't want that because when this is sticking up, heat and moisture escapes. Let's just twist it so it's flush so it can go up and down. And then all we're going to do, since we are using our EOC, so it's safe to cook while we're away, we're going to turn the temperature on to medium, which, like turning on the oven, goes to 350. And then we're just going to go do what we need to do. And when our little friend here starts clicking away, we're going to lower this to about 175, about half of 350. And then we will set our timer, and it should only take about 30 minutes with those being smaller protein. So if your protein's a bit thicker, of course, plan on more time. But we like cooking easy, so we like the thin, quick protein like the tenders. After it's done cooking, it's cooked 30 minutes. And let's see what it looks like. Wish you could smell it. It's pretty good.